Welcome to the Logix Call Reporting Wallboard training. Over the next couple of short minutes, I'll show you how to navigate the basic functions and also how to set up your own wallboard. Let's get started. So we begin with the blank workspace. If I click on Reporting, you'll notice it comes up with the style set to Desktop Wallboard by default. And I'm going to call this wallboard Bart Wallboard after one of my coworkers. You can name it whatever you want, but name it something. I'll then click on Fields. And one thing I want to note here is everything you see here is real-time information. It's not historical data, it's not pictures from a place in time, it's live. So on the left-hand side, under Fields, you'll see a number of statistics available by default. Waiting now, longest waiting, etc. These are the defaults. But if I click over on the Add section, you'll see, for example, under call counts, there's more than a dozen options: active calls, abandoned, etc. Call percentages would be the same thing. Let's take a look at call times, for example. Abandoned time, answered time, lots of very common contact center metric, probably some that you use. In more recent updates, you'll notice that there would be an ACD counts and ACD times options, and a few valuable bits of information under there, again, depending on what your needs are. Something that's been added recently is toll fraud detection, also known as phreaking. And phreaking is when someone dials into your voicemail and they use a weakness in systems to make long-distance international calls through your voicemail system. Those are trunk-to-trunk calls. So we can detect those and report on those real time to minimize, not eliminate, fraud. So for example, right now, you'll see the fields that we have active. And what I can do is I can click outbound calls and just remove by clicking the remove icon. Then I'm going to select Add and select Toll Fraud Detection, Trunk-to-Trunk Calls Active. So now we have an alarm, which down here I can say if it's higher than 0, which means any of these occurrences, then I'll get an alarm. For any of these tiles, you see on the right-hand side under Statistic Colors, I can pick a color, and I can click a text color to use whatever color convention you choose. Now, I'm going to click on OK. And on the left-hand side, you'll see Bart Wallboard, which we just created. And here is the wallboard we just created. Real time, showing what's happening this very moment. And there you have it. It's just that simple. I suggest you log into call reporting now, create and tweak your own wallboard. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a great day. To learn more about this or other products or services, please call us or visit us at logix.com.